Wait. Okay. Hi guys. I'm finally back with another video. And so today it's just gonna be kind of wait, my hands in the way. I'm just really not gonna do much. Okay. Ah. Yeah. Okay, I think we're gonna draw a beam. Okay. There. Can you see that? Where is it? Wait, where's it? Okay. I'm not really gonna just do much. I'm just gonna sit down, talk about stuff, and we'll see how it goes. So, I might do another video today. Right. It's because we're just sitting down and stuff. And this isn't really good. But I have a baseball game later. Tomorrow's Mother's Day. So yeah. My dog had surgery too. So, yeah, thinking of some more stuff. Oh yeah, okay. The reason I couldn't record for the last 3 weeks maybe. Like on 1 week I was like, no, I'm just not gonna record this week. And then, so how I always use like my iPad, my iPhone, or whatever. Well, it broke. Remember I told you that in the other video? Probably like my first video maybe. But, yeah. I know, but, So, that's the reason why we had to ship it all the way to Florida. So it took like 2 weeks. We got it back yesterday, so, yeah. I remember in one of my earlier videos, I told you guys I was a Michigan fan. I have more proof. I really hope you can see that. It says Michigan. So, yeah. It's leaving. I just got it. Right now it is. I didn't feel like getting up and checking the time. So yeah. Yeah. My mom's taking a shower. My dad's probably getting ready. And my brother's at his dad's house. So yeah. Okay. If we can smash 10 likes. 10. On my belly flop video. Like, full time belly flop warning or something like that. I will, like, and if you, 10 likes, and if you leave a comment in the comment section, I'll pick a person, write 3 foods that I should mix up, well, or drinks or whatever, just like that. I'll mix it up and drink it or eat it. So, Hope you guys liked the video. I know it wasn't much like action, but peace out.